So here we are just want here to discuss the what is wireframe. So first of all we have to discuss the what is wireframe, what is wireframe design, what is wireframe tool, is that the Figma UXD XD design कि wireframe होता क्या है, what is wireframe. Wireframe is, we can say that it's a layout, it's a user interface layout in where we have to make the design before making the software application. Any of the software company, for the software application we have to make the design proposal for making the layout design. For example, if we make the images, so here we see that it's just a layout picture, not a software, is a picture. There's a login button, here's the switch button, and there is a login password. It's a design. So before, this looks like this type of design, or mostly this type of design is the before making the software application. If you see that here is the person who makes the mobile phone home button, is the sign out, it's just the user interface. You can make the different tools wireframe for the proposal for making the application. So for after the sign in, this will come to this after the home page, this will come to the sign up page. And after sign up, if face ID is put to sign in, it also have that is go to shopping. After this home, it will go to shop, and this will go here and there. So here you understand, it's just a layout design, most probably like this, or if we check this like so, this most of like this type of designs of the wireframe tools. So if we discuss about the wireframe tools, so here we check out the tools. Here's the tools button, and we have to make for the tool wireframe tool, we mostly the Figma. You can search for the Figma, you can make the wireframe tool in Figma. Here is also the best wireframe is most UI designers for the Figma or Android. Adobe XD is a software tool for making the layout design. We can also say that it's a wireframe for making the application, just the layout design. So here we just say wireframe for mobile app, and we have to go for the tool, and we just say that it's a flutter.app app wireframe build app for any screen lucid chart. Here you can make the lucid chart. It's we have to, okay, let's open this one. So this we have to open, where we have to make the sign up for free, make a wireframe. So I don't know, is it work? It's start for free, try it for free. Let's see. Here's, let's sign up with Google. Okay, then just the sign up, wait for the signing up. Okay, here is the Lucid website is open and launching the templates. So we have to make the framework, let's say about the game. What's about the game wireframe. Let's talk about game wireframe. So if we make the images. We search for the images. Here are some of the templates where how the game developers before making the games, there are some of the wireframes that the developer have to make. These of the wireframe. It's just a prototype, rapidly prototype ideas. Here we can say that it's as a prototype. So what we have to make it look like this. So just talk about any game. Let's talk about dice game, any of the dice game. So these are the dice game and dice game prototype wireframe. So here we search for the dice wireframe. Let's talk about for the Android. Let's talk about, let's see which there's not some. Okay, let's talk about the document. Start diagramming. Yes. Okay, these are the diagrams and these are the templates. Okay, let's start for making the application. So this is the Lucid app for making the wireframe. I don't know how to make this, so let's try again from the text. What's it? क्या बोले? What's other? Let's skip. Oh, let's skip it. Previous immediate. Product and design, engineering, student and teacher. Yeah. Okay, redirecting. What's this coming? Administrator, educator, student. Well, oh no. Okay. Higher education. Okay. Why is okay? Let's finish about this, and then we start about Lucid chart. There are more wireframe. There is a Flutter. I don't know what is this, and this one more. These are all the tools which we have to make the wireframe application. So another make this open this, even if it not okay. Let's see. Okay, let's close it. Make the wireframe document. This is the document. Let's close it and make the search for the document. Okay, let's make a new blank document. Create from template. Import. No. Create from template. Let's see which the templates are available. Not so much. Okay, let's leave it. And let's make the blank document. Let's close it. Oh, what's happening? Again, opening this. Close this one. Okay, here's another wireframe. Oh, that this is the somehow useful. Edit this wireframe. Okay, make wireframe. We use both of the websites. Let's see which way become the more. Which way become the fast. Okay, this is making the sign up for free current plan. Oh, what's up here? What is this, man? Document, make a wireframe. Let's click here for the document, and here we start for the new Lucid blank document. I don't know why it's not opening. Okay, let's just open it. Okay, let's what we have to make. First of all, let's talk about that. What we have to make. Template for we have to for the game, mobile game. Here we have some, yes, these are some mobile phone games templates. So bank app, no, we have mobile dice, mobile, we have to make the dice app, dice game, board game. This is the no, mobile, and we have design, mobile game. Here are some we have to make the more best more this preview. Let's preview about this. This how some looking interesting, but make it simple, make it just simple. Preview. Okay, this is somehow simple. Okay, we can note most like this, insert this. Okay, use this template. Somehow we can say that this is how somehow little bit interesting. Here is the screen name. We have to make the screen name, and we have to show that what we have to make the functionalities to make this game. So let's talk about mobile mobile dice application games, dice rolls. There are different types of. Okay, let's talk about another thing. We have to check it out that somehow let the images dice application. Okay, let's talk about phone dice. Phone dice app. This phone is dice is very interesting. So here we make the here we check about where is the phone dice. Give me some of the pictures. Open this link. These are the links for the game phone dice. Somehow it is an interesting game. Okay, let's talk about no. Somehow okay, read this and this. Okay, read this. Explore post model. Let's see about this. Here is the some of the pictures. Where's the for the users which of the layout is making for the best suitable. This layout. Okay, somehow looking better. Let's escape. Let's talk about more further. Read this. How to play the secret crabs on mobile with phone dice. Here the press join for random game challenges one of the most okay. Okay. Let's make the game. So what is the front page of the game? If we talk about what is the front page of the game, if we make the videos, we have to check it out that what these games are available. No, for more than somehow phone dice. Let's talk about Okay, let's check this. These applications are also available for iOS. Let's click this link. This is the phone dice user interface screenshots. Let's check it out. Okay, here is the sum. अच्छा, अगर हम इसको देखें कि व्हाट ये क्या काम करती है और किस तरह से चलाना है हमने इसको, तो थोड़ा सा अगर इस पर नज़र फेरें, डेली बोनस, प्ले विद फ्रेंड्स, टिकट आइस लाइब्रेरी, ट्राई अनलॉक क्लोज, आफ्टर एट वर्ड्स. Okay, another thing that phone dial best setting. I don't know what is this. Somehow videos are also available in this. This game is released on 2007. Its version is 1.0.94 and this game is totally free. So let's talk about this no video. Okay, let's screenshot, make the screenshot. Okay, let's start. Here we just say about that login screen. Your splash screen, which where the splash screen is required for ये जब गेम स्टार्ट होने से पहले जो स्क्रीन आती है उसको स्प्लैश स्क्रीन कहते हैं. ठीक है, इसके बाद की स्क्रीन होगी लॉगिन फॉर गेस्ट, लॉगिन और साइन अप, login or sign up. ठीक है, okay. If user isn't login button, if user has not the login button, so what's happening? Login or sign up, just write about login or SIG, sign up. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here, and here we have to write home, where the game starts, game home. So if we let's copy and paste, after it we have to check it after the game home, what is the requirement for the after play games. So there is more than 1 2 3 4 5 6 layouts which we have to swap the user if we want to play a solo game, multiplayer game. So here if we have to check it out, here we have to check it out that which of the game have the uses real-time game, solo game, multiplayer game, and the real-time games. Okay, so here we write the solo is one player solo play and other is for the multiplayer. Now let's copy it and paste. So here is solo player, here is the multiplayer. and let's talk about further at what we have to remove to have the requirement. So here we have to check, and there's a splash screen, login screen, game, solo player, multiplayer, and where we have to write uh, 3D engine, real engine, no. Feature with new web technologies. Okay, cache through. Yes, game about tell about the game. प्ले गेम के बाद क्या होना चाहिए? So let's talk about. I don't know what I have to write here. After the play game, when the user play the game, then what happened? If it lose, then if it try again, I mean lose or win. If it lose, then here we test about the try again. If it win, then we show about just copy and paste and make the other another thing. Just move it like this. Okay, just right here LOSE lose, and here is win. Okay, so splash screen, login button, go home button, game home basically. Game home button. So this is the home page. There's a solo player, multiplayer, play dice game, lose. One is Please make loose. No problem. Here is before. So here we have to make if we loop. No. Lose or win. If you win, then make the cash, which the game designing. The game will make that जब वो जीत जाएगा तो होगा ये कि वो गेम जो है दोबारा नहीं खेलना, उसके पास ऑप्शन है कि वो खेलना चाहेगा या नहीं खेलना चाहेगा. ठीक है, lose or win. So there is another thing that let's talk about the settings. Okay, copy and paste. I don't know either is working, is it correct or wrong. Setting, setting, settings, which here the game player setting, where the game the user or a game player have the options where if either he made the music loud, made the music low, the sounds of the music, or any other options. So another thing which I have to make is about so multiplayer, solo player, home, splash screen, play dice game, lose, win, and then what's happening. There are the settings. There is some other features which I have to improve here. Let's check it out. Either let's make watch this one. Here is the best dice in town. Real dice physics. Real dice physics made with passion. Complete challenges to unlock. Ferocious die design. Become a collector. Shoot die with a world. Unique gameplay experience. Real-time PvP, street dice battles, real craps dice, choose your favorite. It means that the which dice you have to want, create your own design, and make purchase the app, purchase the dice which you want. So play with your homies, easily create room or set invite. Complete daily challenges, get more stacks or dice. Daily bonus every 4 hours. Will make it to the top. Okay. Amazing shooting experience. First rule. Here's the way you game. Whenever the dice bounce off the wall and land on the ground, you know something will happen. Are you going to win? Are you going to lose your streak? And if you want possible lose or kicks in the tail, it's a good fun and you have to love that really. But one day unthinkable happens. You have been challenged to get back your credit. You reach in your pocket just to find out you left your lucky dice somewhere else. Now okay, these are the few office dice roller simulator. Properly 3D dice engine with real physics. Great. Okay. Latest update December 2021. Great. Okay, let's talk about these are some of the real dice physics. Real dice physics. Okay.